Are you wondering if Google sites are good for SEO? Make sure to continue watching this video. Now, welcome to Casey's SEO. If you need a website, yes, you can use Google Sites to make a very quick and easy site. Now, are Google Sites good for SEO? That is the question. But first, before we get to the answer, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more SEO tips. Now, in my opinion, Google Sites are not great for SEO. So if you do not have any other way to make a website, then yes, use Google Sites. You can create a page really quickly and you can drive traffic to that page. But I highly suggest you build out a website. You can use WordPress. Now, WordPress is, to me, really easy to use, and the possibilities are unlimited since you have multiple plugins you can use, you have multiple themes. There's just a lot of things that you can do with WordPress, and it's not going to take you that long to learn the basics. I highly recommend, even if you have a website on WordPress, for example, to create a page or two on Google Sites. With these pages, you can take backlinks and link from your Google site over to your website. And in theory, it should give you a little bit more of authority because you have a Google property going to your site. Now, the really neat thing with your Google site is you can get these pages ranked in the search results. If your niche is really competitive, then you probably won't get these Google sites ranked in the search results. But if you are in a very low competitive niche, then you can get your website and your Google site ranked in the search results. And then you will be taking up 2 spots instead of 1. So I have done this in the past for a low competitive niche. I have had our company's website, a couple different Google pages, and my own Google Maps page, all ranked in the top 10. And when you have more pages in the top 10 or just in the search results, the chances of somebody clicking on your website or a property that belongs to you goes up greatly. So should you be going out and creating Google sites for SEO instead of creating a website on WordPress? No. But you can still create Google sites and use them for an SEO perspective to help you get more traffic in the long run. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more SEO tips.